Hi billionaire traders, compliment of the season. This particular video is tailored to teach you how to stay profitable or to become even profitable in the forex market in this Q4 zone, right? And a lot of you may not understand the meaning of Q4. Q4 in the forex industry is those months where you want to be very conservative with your trading, right? Especially in the month of September down to December. So we are in the fourth quarter of the year, and this particular special month of December is a particular month where you want to focus on your risk management and on this thing I'm about to share with you, so as not to return back the fund or the profits you've made in the forex market, right? But in case you see me for the first time, my name remains Gordon Trades. I show up here to share my knowledge with you and to help you become profitable in the forex market, right? Now, how do you approach trading in December? If you really want to make money for yourself in the month of December, stay glued to this video and make sure you're not skipping any part, right? Now, in forex trading, you don't want to approach Q4 the way you approach Q1 down to Q3, right? Q1 January down to March, right? Then you have Q2, Q3. Now in Q4, all right, like from September to December, especially in December, you want to take note of how you trade and how the market is moving, right? Normally, this is the time where people are not actively participating right in the market, right? Because people don't even trade actively in times like this, especially in December, right? So liquidity is gradually flowing from forex to other things like stock or metals like gold, right? So now, if you're trading, especially in currency pairs, you will notice irregularities in the movement of price. So this is the time where a lot of market makers will be hunting your stop loss, right? They will want to take your profit. Now, you want to be watchful and make sure you are re-evaluating your strategy. If you've always been doing 1:1 or 1:2 or 1:3, or you are always been a swing trader, this is not the right time you want to swing. And if you want to swing, you make sure you are swinging, you are coming in, your entering level is top notch, right? You are entering at that particular key level where you believe that no matter how the fake out might be, your stop loss is sitting at a particular place where you will not be taken out, right? Now, if you're that kind of trader who does 1:3, 1:4, you want to cut it down to at least 1:2, right? Or even 1:1.5, because right now, the prices in the market is not moving the way it should be. This is the actual time where what you should have bought or what should have gone for buy will be selling. And I'll be showing you some example on my chart, right, where you have GU that rightly should have bought, now is not selling. Why am I saying all this? Because technical analysis or some fundamental things will be disrespected, right? This is not the right time where your normal double bottom will buy or your double top will sell. A lot of things have to be checked. Right now, you want to reevaluate your entry strategy so that you won't be losing money in the market. Some traders are scared to place trade in this particular period of December. Why? Because they don't understand how to approach the market, right? Now, if you're that kind of trader who is also greedy, this is not the right time for you to trade. I advise you close the laptop and wait for the new year to come, right? But if you really want to participate in the market, you want to be taking profit gradually the way I'm taking profit. Now, let me share my screen and let me walk you through how you can get into the trade, how you can refine your entry strategy, so that you can always stay afloat and profitable day in, day out. So stay with me. Let me share my screen with you. All right, now if you look at my screen, this is the particular trade I took today, right, while I'm currently filming this video. Now, if you look at it, we went for a sell on Euro USD, right? And I was risking 15 pips, right, just to catch 1:2, right? Actually, I didn't even go for 1:2. My TP was here, 1:1.5, right? And was actually here, this particular blue line here, right? So 1:2.26, right? So right now, what happened? If you look at the movement of price, the moment price hits my TP, right? What happened? We had price shoot up again, right? It got to this level, it came back for another touch of the TP. What happened? Then it shoot up back into entry level, right? Now, if my stop loss wasn't well positioned, I would have been stopped out, right? And I don't usually set TP, right? What I do, I set stop loss and I leave my TP open, right? Because sometimes market can go beyond where you want to take profit. But in this regard, because of what happened to me yesterday, I will show you the trade on GBP, JPY. I didn't set TP, but in less than 3 minutes, there was a flash of a sell on GJ, and it went directly, hit my TP. Because I didn't set TP, the market went back and take me out. Now, I will show it to you. Now, what happened? You can see irregularity of movement. Price came back again. Boom. Did you see that? Now, what happened again? Bought again. Did you see? So, this type of movement, you don't want to be in this type of market, right? Because as a trader and as an experienced trader, you don't want to stay too long in the market. Why? Because you will be giving back the market the profit you've made, right? Now, when I took this sell, my TP was open, right? When I came back, I saw that the price got here and came back into my my normal, it came back into my entry level, right? Now, and I said, okay, I will set TP should in case price come back. But unfortunately, the price came back here, and because I've already set my TP ahead, so I got taken out. I took profit here, and what happened? Immediately happens, I saw this movement. But did I go in? No. Because going back in is not a confirmation, right? You'll just be trading like gamblers, right? Because I knew how long I waited for this setup to play out, right? So going in again will be like you are gambling. So I was contented with the profit that I had made already, even when all these are happening, right? Trust me, you can easily lose your money in this type of movement of the market. Now, price is back inside this zone again. You can see the same support, right? Now, those who trade demand and supply may be taking advantage, right? You'll be thinking that you want to go for a buy, right? But you don't know when the price might actually go against you, and you just have price do something like this and take you out, right? So what you want to do, once you have taken profits, that should be okay for you. Now let me show you the GJ trade that I took yesterday. I didn't set TP, and what happened? Boom. Now I will show it to you, and I'll show you my community that I sent the trade to, right? Now, yesterday, look at this splash. Look at this splash, right? Look at this splash. So what I did, I was on sale. I took sell here. My stop loss was just above this recent high. We were risking 30 pips, and our TP was here. You can see 1:2, right? Now, what happened? In less than 3 minutes or 4, this flash happened, and it got to this zone. You can see where I would have taken out my profit, but because I didn't set TP, I only set stop loss. What happened? The same candle, this is 15 minutes, the same 15-minute candle went back and hit me out. Did you see? I sent this trade to my community. I have a Telegram channel where is a subscription-based community for signal room, VIP signals, and we are taking short trades here. Now, look at it. Look at it here. You can see I sent it across, stop loss, and we're using 20 pips, right? You can see. Then what happened? Those who were able to set TP on their own, they took profit. But for me, that I sent the TP, that I sent the signal out, I made a loss. Why? Because I didn't set TP. So that was what gave me that impression. I was like, okay, the market has changed. On my trade now, I'll be setting TP. Right now, I've given them a signal here to buy gold, right? To buy gold. This is it, right? They are buying gold right now. And this is another follow-up signal TP. I told them to set TP 1 to 3. Now gold is in profit. Let me show you. Gold is in profit. Now, this is gold trade. Boom, this is gold trade. You can see we got in here on gold here. Right now we are in profit, right? So by this time I'm still expecting market to still push up, right, to break above this zone. Then we'll be scaling in more position, right? And these are our final TP 1, right? TP1, TP2, TP3, right? So once the market break above this particular resistance, we'll be scaling in more positions, right? But for now, we are in with just one position. And you all know gold has been bullish, right? And I got this signal based on my analysis, right? So if you want to trade the same way I trade, right, you can use the link in the description below to join my mentorship. And if you want to be part of this Telegram community, where you can take signals daily with us and make cool money, the same money I'm making, you also want making money on a daily basis, you're welcome. Talk to me. Get the link in the video description and to contact me on WhatsApp. And I'll be much willing to hold you by hand to teach you how to trade or to add you to my signal group where you can start making money for yourself. So I hope this is quite helpful. Now with this model, you want to know how to trade in this particular month of December. Don't be greedy in the market. Don't stay too long in the market. The moment you make profit, call it a day. And that's how you become more profitable, consistently profitable, right? And have a compound effect formula, right? The $5 you make today, the $10, the $100 can have compound effect over time, can result to something large for you before in 30 days or in 60 days, right? Have a long-term target for Forex trading. And if this concept resonates with you, put in the comment section. I would like to learn from you, right? And if you see me for the first time, I'd like to see you again. Make sure you're connected to this channel, like this video, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you also turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop good video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So having said all this, I'll see you in my next video. All right.